Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So today I'm going to show you how to clean bugs off your windshield. And if anybody doesn't like stuff on their windshield, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a way to clean your windshield, get those nasty bugs off with steel wool. Yes, that's right. Hold on. All right, take a look at this windshield to get these nasty bugs that splatter all over the windshield. And I brought this car in here today to do an inspection on it. I'm going to do a nice solid favor to this guy because, well, I can't stand anything on my windshield. I don't know about you. I get a speck on there. It drives me crazy. Usually it's right in the center of your line of sight and makes you cross-eyed. At least it does me. But I'm going to show you how to clean this off with steel wool. People, oh my God, steel wool, you crazy? You're going to scratch your windshield. No, you're not going to scratch your windshield. But I'm going to show you real quick, easy way to do it. You need very fine steel wool, glass cleaner, and a squeegee helps as well. All right, so you hold on a second. All right, so I got my glass cleaner here, and I have some fine steel wool. So you spray the windshield down nice and generously. Get my squeegee ready. I got a squeegee here that helps out quite a bit afterwards. So you make passes like this, and you can actually feel it taking the bug grime off. And you wouldn't believe just the amount of road film this takes off. Not just the bugs, it takes off all the road film. All right, so I'm going to take my squeegee now. Basically, your windshield wiper blades are just a squeegee. You could do that too as well. That way it takes all the bug stuff off of there. And another thing I like to do, hold on a second. You take a rag and you wipe the grime off the windshield. Sometimes you have to moisten it a little bit more, but you wipe the grime off the windshield wipers and it makes them perform quite a bit better. So I'm going to do the identical thing on the other side. To grab my vertical enhancer. All right. Yeah, I know, I'm so far away. Same thing here. Make some nice passes with it. And you get up to the top where the windshield wiper doesn't normally rub. You can feel it kind of bind up. And what you're doing is you're pulling that road film off the windshield. And you'll notice it. The wipers will work better. If you do this with a new set of wiper blades, it's awesome. Especially when it's raining. So, grab the rag here, wipe the windshield wiper down. Now, I'm going to show you, this is where I put the wiper blade through. See how that black comes off? That's road film there too, so. Yeah, so One of the most important things to have working right on your vehicle is your windshield wipers. And this will definitely help the performance of your windshield wipers. Hey, if you like this video and it gave you useful information, please like it. And if you want to see more of what I do, you can subscribe. I'd really appreciate that even more. Thanks a lot. Treat yourself great and others as well. Have a great night.